Hello, beautiful people. It's Karen. I hope you are having a sublime day. So what do you do when you wake up and you've got two competing voices asking for breakfast? You've got your little angel that's asking for healthy steel-cut oats. You've got your devil that's asking for apple pie with ice cream. Steel-cut oats, apple pie. So you sit them down and you say, you know what, let's come to a compromise. And that's what we're making for breakfast today. We're going to do baked apples with some brown sugar and pecans, but we're going to add some quick oats to it. So let's go take a look at the ingredients that we need. The ingredients that we need to make this are apples, of course, and then we're going to mix some brown sugar, some pecans, some quick oats, a little bit of butter, and some nutmeg. And just to keep our devil a little bit happy, we're going to drizzle a little bit of caramel at the end. Those are your ingredients. Let's get started. I've got a handful of pecans. I'm going to add a teaspoon of brown sugar. I'm going to add a tablespoon of quick oats. A dash of nutmeg, and I've got a pat of butter in here. The next thing you want to do is to core your apples. You want to initially make a little hole, and at that point you want to take a metal spoon and go in and scoop out all of the seeds. You want to make sure that you don't cut to the bottom because you don't want your ingredients to fall out of your apple. We have our mixture combined. We have some brown sugar, we have some pecans, we have some quick oats, we have a little bit of butter, and we have some nutmeg. And we're simply going to put that into the cavity of the apple. Once you've filled your apples with that mixture, you want to take a little bit more of your quick oats and put it on the top, and then we want to add a pat of butter to the top of that. The last thing you want to do is to put some water in your baking dish, about 1/4 of a cup, and you're going to add your apples. We're going to bake this for ½ hour at 350. So I think I managed to make the perfect compromise breakfast. I satisfied my little angel who wanted a big bowl of steel-cut oats. I satisfied my little devil who wanted apple pie. Make it and enjoy. Beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed the recipe for baked apples with quick oats. If you did, hit the subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos. Until we meet again, think sublime thoughts.